Hi friends, this is Ami Venki. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great as usual. So today I have come up with a review of a sari that I got from Shopcluse. This sari is look-alike like that of Khadi silk, but it's only the looks, not the material. Then this is from the brand SVB Saris. So this is the sari. So let's go straight to the review. So friends, you can see that this is a royal blue sari with golden foil prints all over. I'll bring it closer so that you can see. And now let me open the sari. So this is how the sari looks. It's a royal blue sari with orange border. The border is also, it's not too thin and it's not too broad. And on the border also you have these foil prints which is making it very pretty. So let's just open the sari and see. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. You can see that the pallu has dots like this. You can't call it dots, it's circular designs. This is a printed sari. The sari goes like this, and the royal blue and orange color combination is really very pretty. That is bringing its own charm to this entire sari. And this is the pleat area. It is same throughout. That is at the top and at the bottom it's all the same. Actually, the reason why I bought this sari is because the blouse piece that I got along with it is very beautiful. So look at this. This is the blouse piece. I was so carried away by the blouse piece that I just bought the sari as such, and I have given it bell sleeves. So this is how the blouse looks. I've already tailored the sari. I've already tailored the blouse, and I have used this sari for 2-3 occasions, and I've received nice compliments also. So you can also consider buying this sari if you like the combination of navy blue and orange. So friends, this sari is 5.5 meters in length and the blouse piece is 0.8 meters. This sari is a good pick for if you are looking to wear it for occasions, functions, parties, small pujas. This is a very good pick. The plus point with the sari is this will come out very good in photos. In pictures it's going to look very nice. It's going to give you that grand and royal look. Talking about the material is a little bit sensitive. You can see that this material has a soft shine, so once you wear it, it is going to bring out that elegance. You have to be a little bit careful with the material because material is very sensitive. If you have sharp nails or if it's going to get hit anywhere, then the material can get torn. So if you're someone who doesn't want to invest too much on saris but would like to create that heavy premium look on the saris, you can go for this sari as a buying option. The sari is available only in one color. You do not have many color options, just one single color. Now because it's Shopcluse, you do not get to see customer ratings as much as you could get to see in Amazon or Flipkart. So I really went for a toss. So you can also try buying this. This is an okay sari. I would say that I'd give it a rating of 7 out of 10. I'm going to take away 3 points because foil print, I have a small doubt how far would they stay back once you wash this. I'm not telling that it will not stay back. I'm not laundried this, so it might stay back. So I have to give it a try. And next thing why I'm taking away the marks is because it's material wise, the look and feel is good, but you have to be extra careful with this material. Very sensitive kind of a material. If you want, you can give orange tassels here, orange or blue tassels according to your taste, which will make it really beautiful. I haven't given the tassels as such because I already have many saris which have tassels, so I thought I'll spare this sari without any tassels. And tassels is more or less like an invitation for my little boy to play with my sari, so I thought I will spare this sari. So friends, I got this sari for 499. So for this price, I must say that this is a very good pick. So if you are looking for an affordable sari which is going to give you a very good look, which is going to give you a very nice look in the pictures, then you can of course opt for this sari. The sari has the look and feel of khadi silk, so for 499 I must say that this is a very good buy. And let me tell you the highlight, let me show you the highlight once again. The highlight for this sari is this blouse. Look at this. This is such a pretty blouse. You can see that there are blue flowers, green leaves, and there's golden print work all over it. You can use this blouse with your other saris as well. So I must say that this blouse is one of the main attractions for purchasing this sari. So friends, I've tried this sari with this blouse. You can see for yourself. I hope you enjoyed the look that I created. So let me know what do you think about this. The link to purchase this product is mentioned below in the description box. So if you're interested, you can check it out. So friends, if you're a little bit on the curvy side also, you can opt this sari because this is a soft kind of a material. So this will make sure that you are not looking extra than your actual measurement. So if you are on the healthier side, if you're a little bit more curvy, even then you can go for this sari. So friends, the wash instruction for this sari is dry clean. I would suggest that you can even do a cold shampoo wash at your home. This will also make sure that the sari is in good condition. So friends, I hope you liked my review today. Do let me know what you think. Do give me your comment. Share this video with your friends and family who share the same interest and taste in saris like how you do. And do subscribe to my channel. Your subscription is my biggest motivation to go ahead and make more videos like this. So until we meet next time, this is Ami Winky signing off. Ta-da!